conditions. As of 3 p.m. at Central Park, it was cloudy. The temperature was 58 degrees, the dew point 46, and the relative humidity 64%. The wind was variable at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.99 inches and falling. At the Bronx Botanical Gardens, the temperature was 50 degrees, the dew point 43, and the relative humidity 76%. Elsewhere in the metropolitan area, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 50 at LaGuardia Airport, 47 at Kennedy, 59 at Newark, and 40. From late Saturday night through Sunday evening, the National Weather Service in New York has issued a flood watch for southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and interior southeast New York, including the following areas in southern Connecticut: Fairfield, New Haven, Middlesex and New London, and northeast New Jersey, Bergen, Passaic, Essex, Hudson, and Union. In southeast New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Westchester. From late Saturday night through Sunday evening, as low pressure moves up the coastal plain on Saturday, steady rain will move into the region by Saturday afternoon. The rain should then become heavy at times from Saturday night into Sunday morning. Rainfall of 2 to 3 inches, and locally up to 4 inches, could cause flooding of small streams, as well as significant urban and poor drainage flooding. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding, based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts, and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.